students, welcome to Ekta's science education class. Today we will learn about primary class, what animals eat. Okay, this is CBSE class. Now we know that have you ever wondered any time how living organism get their food? Cow, dog, human being, trees, microorganism like bacteria all need food to survive and carry out the activities. Food is essential. Each living thing has a different way of deriving their nutrients, their food. As you can see, horse is eating the grass. Okay, next this is a sheep also eat the grass and other husk products. Then dog is animal which is a pet animal also. Now whatever you give the dog can eat. Mostly the dog eat like a human being. Okay, so dog is a general found animal. Then cow eat only grass. Then hen. Then tiger, you know what the tiger is eating. Okay, so a different animal get their food from the different places. Okay, how they are deriving their food items, now we are going to learn from this lesson. Now you know that some living things can make their own food. They are they can make their own food. As we know these all things, so let us learn about the eating habits of all animals. According to the eating habits of the animals, animals are classified into four main types are as follow. Herbivores, as the name suggests, the trees are divided into the different types: herbs, shrubs, climbers, creeper, trees. Okay, so here you can see the herbivores. Herbs are the very tiny plants, very weak stem plant, very small plants. So herbivores. Okay, now which are the herbivores? Let us learn. The animal which feed only on the plant matter are called herbivores. So herbivores are the plant which eat the small plant, the herbs. For example, deer, cow, horses, giraffes, zebras, goats and sheep and different one. Deer. Okay, example deer. You can see the pretty image of the deer. Next, zebra eat the grasses only. Okay, the next one is a carnivores or predatory animals. What is special about these herbivores? Do you know that? Herbivores have well developed molars and premolars. Molars and premolars are the types of the teeth. Okay, molars and premolars are the type of the teeth. They are having very well developed premolars and molars for grinding and chewing the plants. Some herbivores have many molars. Herbivores like the white-tailed deer and goat have tall molars with the flat upper surface for the chewing. Some herbivores like cows store semi-digested food in a part of their stomach and bring it back to the mouth to chew it again. So this is about the herbivores. Now carnivores, the animals which feed on the meat or flesh of other animals are carnivores. Carnivores are the animal which feed on the meat or flesh of other animal. They are said to be carnivores or predatory. They hunt and kill other animals for the food. So they are also known as a predatory animals. Now what is special about the carnivores? Carnivores, let us learn about the lion. Examples: lion, tiger, wolves are the example of the carnivores. See the image, lion. Now what is the special about the lion or the carnivorous animal? Carnivores have the sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Their canines and incisor. Again, the canines and incisors are the types of the teeth. In the higher classes, we are going to learn about the types of the teeth. So, these carnivores have the very sharp teeth. Their canines and incisors are very, can you see the sharp teeth? Okay, their canines and incisors are very well developed. Carnivores need canines to kill and tear the meat of the animal. Some birds have clawed pointed toes and sharp pointed beaks to grab and stab the flesh of their prey. So the birds like vulture, they eat the flesh. Okay, so they are also having the very sharp teeth. Now what are the scavengers? The animal which feed on the leftover flesh of the creatures killed by the other animal. For example, if lion is hunting a big buffalo and they eat in a group, but remaining parts they will leave it as it is, then what happen? The scavenger will come and they will start feeding on the remaining flesh which is hunt by the lion or tiger. They will start eating the flesh that is already leftover flesh. So the leftover animals that are eating the food which is leftover flesh of creature killed by some other animals, these are called the scavenger. Example, hyenas, vultures. Okay, these are they are having pointed beak, and then here they are having pointed teeth, so they are the scavenger animals. So this is a vulture, that's a scavenger. Next is a omnivores. What do you mean by the omnivores? The animals which feed on both flesh as well as plant matter are called as omnivores. Human beings are also omnivores. Example, bear, monkey are the example of the omnivores. Mammals like the grizzly bears, and human beings and birds like crows and woodpeckers are all omnivores. Okay, these are all the examples of the omnivores. Omnivores survive well in many environments because they eat both plant and animals. Many omnivores animals have the front teeth which help them to rip into meat and bite into fruits and vegetables. Molars help them grind up meat and chew their food. Feeding habits of all living things are not the same. Different animal they eat with the different characters which help them to derive energy from the food they eat. Okay, before the starting the video you may have seen the different animals they are eating with the different kinds of the with the different habits. Okay, during the starting of this video, so here we have done with this lesson. It's a very short and sweet lesson where we learn about the different animals and their eating habits. Now let's wrap up the lesson. Some animals eat only plant matter, they are the herbivores. Okay, they are eating the herbs, that's why they are herbivores. Some animals eat the flesh of other animal, they are carnivores. Some animal eat both plant matter and the flesh of other animals, they are omnivores. We must give clean and healthy food to our pets and domestic animals. We should care the all animals, all plants, because they are the important parts of the planet, so we have to conserve them, we have to protect them. Okay students, till now you have got the things which I have taught to you. Hope you have understand all the things. Till then, just goodbye. Thank you students.